The Suzuki Jimny Shinsei Limited Edition has been launched in Italy, and is restricted to only 100 units. Shinsei, which in Japanese means sacred, refers to the color inspiration which dates back to the Suzuki LJ20 introduced in 1972. The exterior is painted in the dark yellow 70s color which was available on the LJ20, and white contrast skid plate and wing mirrors complement the theme. A Webasto-made fabric roof is also seen on the Suzuki Jimny Shinsei Edition. Inside, the Suzuki Jimny Shinsei Edition gets a leather steering wheel, a tire pressure monitoring system, leather-lined seats, Jimny logo, a 6.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system with radio, CD, navigation system with 3D maps and Bluetooth connectivity, USB and mirror-link connectivity. The Suzuki Jimny Shinsei Edition is priced at €23,000, 16 Indian rupees and 88 paise lakhs. It continues to be powered by the M13A 1.3-liter VVT 4-cylinder petrol engine capable of 85 horsepower and 110 Nm of torque paired to a 5-speed manual transmission and 4WD system. The Suzuki Jimny, which is now 18 years old in the current generation, is expected to get a successor in the next couple of years. According to a report, the next-gen Jimny will be made in India, at the Suzuki-owned plant in Gujarat which starts operations early next year.